Viewers, this is Koye Branch. In this video, I'm going to share information regarding livestock production systems. Livestock production systems have been developed over thousands of years, shaped by factors such as climate, geography, available resources, market demands, and cultural traditions. They help communities adapt animal husbandry practices to their unique circumstances, ensuring sustainable food production and economic growth. The three main types of livestock production systems are intensive system, extensive system, and semi-intensive system or mixed system. The intensive system. These systems are characterized by high levels of animal confinement and intensive feeding, often involving large-scale operations where animals are closely monitored and controlled. They are common in regions with high demand for meat and proteins, such as North America, Europe, and Asia. The characteristics of intensive system of farming are that here animals are kept under high stocking densities, and then diseases can spread easily. There is no veldt or grass required, but the animals are housed indoors. There is environmental control. Feed or the animals are fed with balanced ration to increase production or growth. And then there is also common or close human supervision, which is labor intensive. Example of this system is the battery systems for chickens and then feedlot system for cattle and pig units. The extensive systems of livestock production. The extensive systems allow animals to graze freely in open areas, such as pastures and then open field. These systems are common in Central and South America, Australia, and some southern parts of African countries. The system is suitable for livestock such as cattle, sheep, and goat. This system is characterized with the animals depending on natural range or grass. Here, they may be supplemented with mineral licks, or mineral licks may be required as supplement if they are feeding on natural grass. The system is characterized with low production rate due to the environment. The animals has the advantage of expressing their natural behavior and then they are less stressed up. Labor costs under this system is low. Example of extensive system of production include cattle, sheep, and goat farming in the open field or free range. The semi-intensive system or mixed farming system is a hybrid management system that combines elements of both extensive, that is free range, and intensive, that's zero grazing methods. In this system, cattle or animals are typically allowed to graze in open pastures or paddocks for a portion of the day and are housed in shelters or pens for the remainder. where they receive supplemental feeds and veterinary care. Key characteristics of the semi-intensive or mixed system is controlled grazing. Here, animals are typically released to graze for 2 to 3 hours or during the morning to scavenge on natural vegetation and insects. Housing and shelter. Here, animals are usually caged or housed in simple structures at night and during inclement weather to protect them from predators and extreme environmental conditions. Supplemental feeding. Farmers provide additional nutrients in the form of concentrates, chopped grass such as napier or elephant grass, or silage while the animals are in their pens. Integrated management. This system often facilitates recycling as manure collected in the cow shed or animal shed can be used as organic fertilizer for crops. The advantages to the semi-intensive system is that it provides balanced productivity. It offers higher milk and meat yields than extensive grazing, but requires less capital and infrastructure than fully intensive systems. Health control. Housing the animal for parts of the day reduces exposure to parasites like ticks and allow for easier monitoring and administration of medications. Resource efficiency. It is ideal for small to medium scale farmers. Another advantage to the semi-intensive system is cost effective. Lower initial investment and operational costs than intensive system with savings on feed. It also leads to improved welfare. Here, animals get exercise and natural forage, leading to better meat quality, that is leaner, and then welfare. High productivity. The system provides more milk or meat than extensive system due to better nutrition planning. Reduced labor. It is less intensive than strict zero grazing, where everything is cut and brought in. Better control. It is easier to manage disease and parasites control compared to free-range systems. How the semi-intensive system works. It is done by production of fodder production. Here, a land is dedicated to plant high-yield fodder like napier grass or corn for silage. Supplementation. Supplementation provides balanced concentrates such as corn, soya meal, or vitamins. And then grazing or housing. Animals must stay in a shed at night and during bad weather, but access fence paddocks for daily grazing. Rotation, characterized by the use of multiple paddocks to allow pasture to recover and control parasites. The system is ideal for farmers with limited land who want to move from subsistence to commercial farming, and also those seeking a balance between high productivity and animal welfare. Viewers, this is the conclusion of my episode. Thanks for viewing and stay tuned for more updates. Bye bye.